Hello students, in last class we learnt how to find LCM by common division method. In today's class we will learn finding LCM by prime factorization method.
Finding the LCM by the prime factorization method, which we learned last year. Let us find the LCM of 25, 15, 30. We begin by finding the prime factorization of each number. You can find it either by repeated division or by building the factor tree. Here we get the prime factorization of 25 as 5 into 5, 15 as 3 into 5, and 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. Step 2. Circle the common prime factors occurring in all the numbers. Here, the common prime factor is 5. Step 3. Underline the remaining common prime factors of any two numbers. Here, we get the remaining common factor as 3. Step 4. List the uncommon prime factors of all the numbers. Finally, the uncommon factors are 2 and 5.
Multiply the factors taking the common factors 5 and 3 only once. Therefore, LCM equal to 5 into 3 into 5 into 2, which equal to 150. Now we will solve exercise 5. First main, find the multiples, common multiples and the LCM. First number 3 and 4. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And 6 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Common multiples are only one, that is 12, and LCM is 12. Now with sum number 6 and 9. First write 6 multiples of 6 and 6 multiples of 9. So common multiples are 18 and 36. So among them least common multiple is 18. That is LCM is 18. Dear children, remaining sums you have to solve in your math notebook. Now we will move to next main. Find the LCM on the number line. Given numbers are 2 and 5. Here we are going to find LCM on the number line. The number line shows the multiples of 2 and 3. Black color curve indicates multiple of 2 and pink color curve indicates multiple of 5. Here you can observe that the numbers where the jumps of 2 and 3 meet are the common multiples of 2 and 5. Therefore, the common multiples of 2 and 5 are 10, 20 and so on. Therefore, LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. With sum you have to do in your classwork book. Now we will move to third main, that is find the LCM by the prime factorization method. First sum 16 and 20. Here you find the prime factors of 16, that is 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Finally we got quotient 1, that is 2 1s are 2. And now we'll find the prime factors of 20. So least prime number 2. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So prime factors of 16. 16 equal to product of all prime factors, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Here you can observe 2 is present in both the numbers, that is 16 and 20. Multiply the factors taking the common factors 2 and 2 only once. Therefore LCM of 16 and 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 80. Now we'll move to next main, that is find the LCM by the division method. First sum 21, 35. Write the numbers as shown. Divide by a prime number that divides at least one number exactly. Here you can observe that 3 divides 21. 3 does not divide 35. So 35 write as it is. So 3 7s are 21. We got here quotient 7 and 35. Here 35 is divisible by next prime number 5. That is 5 7s are 35. 7 is not divisible by 5. So write as it is. Now we got quotient 7 and 7. Both numbers divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So write down quotient 1, 1. We got quotient 1 here. So LCM of 21, 35 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. 3 5s are 15. 15 7s are 105. Therefore LCM of 21 and 35 is 105. Now relation between HCF and LCM. Product of two numbers equal to product of their HCF and LCM. First number equal to product of their HCF and LCM divided by second number. Second number equal to product of their HCF and LCM divided by first number. Now we'll move to next main. Fill in the yellow boxes in the table using the relation between HCF and LCM. In first box, first number, HCF of the numbers and LCM of the numbers given. Now we have to find second number. We know that second number equal to product of HCF and LCM divided by first number. Here first we have to find the product of HCF and LCM, that is 48 into 4 divided by 12, which equal to 192 divided by 12, which equal to 16. Therefore, second number is 16. Dear children, 6th and 7th sum you have to find LCM. Complete all the sums of exercise 5 in your notebook. Thank you, children.